This is the stolen wrap BMX bike check 2010. I just got it for Christmas and doing a little bike check. Let's see what we've got. Start from the back. We've got the Kenda something tyre. We've got the stolen revolver wheels, pretty thick. I think they're double wall. We've got the stolen roulette hub with the 9-tooth driver on the back. It's quite large. We've got the Tektro V-brake, I think it is, I'm not sure. We've got the KMC chain, the stolen 25-tooth sprocket, and we've got the stolen cranks, pretty thick, pretty tough, so they're good. And we've got the Odyssey twisted plastic PC pedals, pretty good. And we've got the seat, pivotal, stolen with the thermalite seat post. It's pretty light. And then we've got the stolen wrap frame with the convict stem. Pretty good stem there. Stolen tall boy bars, but they're not really that tall. Stolen money grips. There's a Tektro lever, and then we go down the front. We've got the tornado fork. I took the stickers off because it looked a bit shit. Got the stolen basic hood on the front, and the stolen roulette revolver, double wall wheel, and the Kenda front tyre.